The BBI Constitutional Amendment Bill contains a schedule of additional constituencies distributed to 28 counties out of the 47 counties. This is an illegality. The ad hoc BBI team has no power under the law to delimit electoral boundaries at all. Delimitation of electoral boundaries is clearly regulated under Article 89 of the Constitution. And that mandate of delimitation of electoral units or boundaries is vested in the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, not in an ad hoc task force. The process of delimitation of boundaries is not an issue of give this county a few and give another county 3. No. It is a scientific process that is dictated by Article 89. It is clearly dictated that delimitation of electoral boundaries can be done within 8 years, not less than 8 years, but also not more than 12 years, and not, in any case, 12 months before the next general election. It takes into account the geographical features of the area, the urban centers. It takes into consideration, very importantly, community interest. It takes into account historical and cultural and economic ties of each region. It also looks into the means of communication. It takes into account, in a very specified formula, the population quota. It has percentages that one cannot fall below in delimitation of boundaries. It also requires that the Electoral Commission should progressively work towards ensuring that the numbers of inhabitants in each constituency and ward is nearly as possible equal to the population quota. That is the formula. Kenyans should be asking, did the BBI ad hoc task force have the mandate to undertake delimitation of boundaries? No. Did they apply the scientific formula that is contained in Article 89? The answer is no. And hence the reason why there is glaring discrepancies. How is it that Kiambu County gets an additional 6 constituencies, yet Kisii County, which is of a similar geographical and population nature, gets 0 additional constituencies? Also, how is it that Mombasa gets 3 additional constituencies, and then Nairobi County receives 12? And when you look again, Tharaka Nithi gets 0, and Nyeri gets 0 also. Yet Meru gets 2. It is the reason why the schedule does not make sense. It's because they did not follow the legal and scientific formula established under Article 89. Neither did I hear any Kenyans during the BBI process asking for review of boundaries by the task force. The task force has clearly gone beyond its mandate.